In this video, we are going to talk about how one of our alumni, Shivam, went from getting no calls to 3 interviews a day. He worked in IT for 12 years, but he felt like my job role is not relevant anymore. The industry has moved faster than him. New technologies, AI, machine learning, Gen AI tools everywhere. He realized his skills weren't ready for the AI-driven future. But here is the thing. After joining Bosscoder's program, he got multiple interviews and offers to choose from. In this video, Shivam breaks down exactly what went wrong in his career, how he rebuilt his skills in AI and ML, how Bosscoder's structured mentorship changed everything. So come, let's hear his story. Hello Shivam. So let's begin with your introduction.
Hey Aditya, thank you for having me. I'm Shivam. I have like 12 plus years of experience in IT field, and out of these 12 years, the last 2 to 3 years were with ML and AI side. But the AI models, the ML models, and the AI application that I was making were not up to the mark.
So can you tell me about what were the challenges you were facing in your past career?
When I was making a Gen AI RAG application. So I made the RAG application, but I don't had any idea like how to completely test it, on what levels I needed to test it. So all that thing I was facing, and I was looking for a solution of it.
Okay. So, after so much experience, what kind of learning did you feel like you need now?
Aditya, as you know, the field of AI and ML is new. So there is not much structured learning content available on the websites. Even some of the companies don't have the exact material that is needed, the structured curriculum that is needed. So that is why I decided, and when I went through your website, the Bosscoder website, I saw that it was covering everything starting from basics, very basics like Python. And although I had an experience of 7 to 8 years prior to that with Python, but it is always good to refresh the things. Then you guys started from the very beginning, then pandas, numpy and all. We started with the basic data analytics, then later on we moved on to machine learning, then the deep learning, and then later on we also went to Gen AI things. This kind of structured learning I was not able to find in a single course anywhere else. So that is some, I'll say, unique selling point from Bosscoder side. For me was that your placement team, and the placement sessions that you conducted, how to optimize profile. Let me tell you a fact about my job hunting and reskilling, upskilling journey. That I didn't apply for even a single job. When I joined my current organization, I had 2 offer letters in my hand. I joined the best one that I had. But I got there was a certain time then when I was giving 2 to 3 interviews in a day, and I didn't apply to any one of them. I was getting calls because Bosscoder had my resume optimized, Bosscoder had my LinkedIn profile optimized, Bosscoder had my Naukri profile optimized. With your help only, I was able to find such an amazing job.
Well, I'm really happy to hear that, Shivam. So I want to ask that what was the best part about your program? Was it mentorship, sessions, or the curriculum?
Tutors are great, instructors are great. Mentor session was on the another level, but the highlight was the special sessions conducted by the placement team. So that sets you apart. That
Okay. So, Shivam, any tips or any advice for working professionals who have just joined the industry, like how they should upskill or maybe prepare for interviews?
The learning for them, the suggestion I will have them is, if you will try to learn from some Udemy courses or any small courses from, you will try to learn single thing from multiple sources, you will get confused. What you need is a structured curriculum and someone who can guide you, who can told you that okay, this is the direction where you have to go, this is the direction where you have to put the efforts. I mean, for me it was definitely Bosscoder, but also for the freshers, because I'm not sure if in colleges also they will provide you such a structured learning. Not only structured learning, whatever projects that Bosscoder is helping us in the during the process, asking us to make the projects, they are like industry grade. They are the projects which are kind of being asked on the job. Companies ask to such projects on the job. So yeah, this is the advice I will have for both freshers and the seasoned one. I think that's all I had. I will say the only one thing to Bosscoder, keep going. You are doing a great job.
Cool. Thank you so much, Shivam. It was great
So
talking
yeah,
to you.
that's all I had.
So yeah, that was Shivam's journey. And personally, I feel that if you take the right guidance and build the right skills, things can change very quickly. So, what was your biggest takeaway from this story? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're someone who's going through a similar phase in your career, then you can check out Bosscoder Academy. We have added all the details in the description. And if you felt relatable in this video, then make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll keep on bringing such more real stories to you.